In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in Proton Mail in Gmail. We'll walk through a simple, secure sign-in flow so you can get into your Proton Mail inbox quickly and with confidence. First, open your browser and go to the official Proton Mail website at proton.me/mail. Using the direct site keeps your account safe from lookalikes. Check for the padlock in your address bar and consider bookmarking the page so you can return to it easily next time. On the Proton Mail homepage, look to the top right and select Sign In. This takes you to the secure login screen. If you see a prompt to create a new account, make sure you're on the Sign In tab rather than the Sign Up option. In the first field, enter your email address or your Proton username. Take a second to verify spelling before moving on. Mistyped characters are a common reason logins fail. If you use a password manager, let it fill this for you to reduce errors. Next, enter your password. Passwords are case sensitive, so match uppercase and lowercase exactly. If your password manager offers to autofill here, that's usually the most reliable approach. Avoid saving passwords on shared or public devices. You'll notice a Keep Me Signed In option. Turn this on only if you're on a personal trusted device. It keeps you logged in longer so you don't have to enter your credentials every time. Leave it off on work or shared computers to protect your account. When everything looks correct, click Sign In. Depending on your security settings, you may be asked for an authentication code or to complete a quick verification. Follow any prompts and you'll be taken straight to your Proton Mail inbox. From here, you can read messages, compose new emails, and adjust settings as needed. If something doesn't work, like a forgotten password, use the recovery options on the sign-in page rather than guessing multiple times. And remember to sign out when you're done on any device that isn't yours. That's it. You've securely signed into Proton Mail through your browser, fast and safely.